Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy M14. To do this, you need to open your Google Play Store and find Microsoft Edge. Then select it and click Install. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the app. And now we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Here, set up for a data sharing preference. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here, it should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.